Dude, this is a pretty soft pillow. What? It's my subscribers. What? Hey, guys. It lagged. Did you see that? Make sure y'all subscribe so I get monetized, so I get ads, so I can actually invest in a camera, so I don't have to use my iPhone. My job doesn't pay me enough to get a nice camera.
Y'all come to Target, come to the pillow section, and like just feel these pillows. They're so soft.
Let's see how much this pillow is. It reminds me of happiness. My guess is going to be 15. The big one, that's like triple the size, is $30.
He keeps dropping it.
Got the Pokemons in the background. Smash like if you used to do Pokemon. I used to do Pokemon. I love Pokemans. Oh, you can't see? Is your breath fogging your glasses?
Yeah, because, okay, if you have to wear a mask and glasses at the same time, it doesn't work. It just fogs it up.
Sounds like you're complaining.
I am complaining.
So we're going to get a car wash because, like, sprinklers went off in my car.
Ooh, I like that.
Not in my car, but, like, next to my car.
I wonder if I have it.
And it got really dirty. And then we're going to go grocery shopping. And then I got to go to work. So that's epic. That's what the agenda is today. Pretty tubular. What are you looking at?
I'm trying to see if there's some case that fixes this one.
That's an iPhone, like, Pro.
It says XR and 11.
Oh. Ooh.
I like this one.
Ooh. I'm going to start a GoFundMe because I really want a marble track. I used to have one, and it is gone now. Like, 10 years.
Look at the price.
That's why I'm going to start a GoFundMe. Ooh. Love marble tracks. These things are cool too. Hey Maya, is there anything you want from Target?
I want Starbucks.
Well, we'll get some Starbucks. Let's go buy these scissors and then get a car wash and then get groceries. Holy crap. It's a really big candle. Whoa. Smell it. Rate it.
Solid 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Same. Is that Christmas? Is it Christmas season already?
Yeah, here, smell this one.
Yeah? It smells like chestnut.
It smells terrible.
It smells alright.
Sniff it as hard as you can.
It smells like pumpkin spice.
That's what it is.
Straight up gave that candle coronavirus. Sorry. Sanitize this candle.
Just like push that one out your bag.
Shoot me with that cologne. What is that?
Room spray.
Room spray?
What is it?
Sexy? I don't know. Alright, let's go get some Starbucks. Scan to begin. Let's go.
Good job.
Alright guys, gonna pay Texas Random stickers coming soon. They're shipping, small price of $3. They're pretty epic. No, I do not want cash back.
Try the pen. Try the pen thing. Try
Oh, the pen. Whoa. What?
latte.
A what?
Oh my god.
Wait, what did you get?
An iced chai latte.
What's that? What's an iced tea latte? Ooh. There's the beautiful Hyundai. Look how dirty she got. Freaking. You like, it's nasty. Like, I don't know. Like, look at my window. It's horrible. Oh, my keys. So yeah, I'm gonna get a car wash because I really need one. And that's where we're gonna go next. Is car wash.
Yup.
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 Is it good?
I haven't tried it yet.
Try it right now.
I need to spit my gum out.
No, right now. Eat your gum. Swallow it. You need the calories. Food is expensive.
I
Good?
already knew it was gonna taste good.
Oh, okay. Whoa! All right, let me try it. Tastes like bread. It seriously tastes like... It tastes like pumpkin bread.
Yeah, it's good.
That's actually really good. My girlfriend has good taste.
Chai tea latte.
There was an Equus.
Really?
Dude, it was an Equus. I want to turn it. Oh, it's under us right now.
That like scared
It was
me.
literally an Equus. That's my dream car, guys. A 2013 or over. 2013 is the cheapest. Hyundai Equus. Oh, dude, it's like seeing a Ferrari. Oh, dude, it was black. The car was black.
He just goes, oh my god.
They're rare. Like, only 2,500 of them were made in, like, 2013, I think. I'll fact check it, but I think, like, not a lot. Anyways, I'm going to car wash now, because I need car wash. And that's where I'm driving to. Yeah, pretty epic. I need gas.
What are you at?
What?
What are you at?
52 miles.
Keep your gas up, guys. Don't let it get low.
And it's on the way to Exxon, baby. Cool!
Only fill up at Exxon.
Yep. Gotta get the Hyundai. Gotta make her last long. I thought it was the other.
Gas station is back there, guys.
I thought it was the. I don't. I messed up, guys. Don't
He
worry.
like just completely like.
I completely small brain that. I thought it was
It's
like
all the way
dirty.
back
No,
there.
I was literally right now, and I can't just like flip a U on Adams.
Just go eat. Turn around.
Okay, hold up.
Well, we're speeding up. What are you doing?
Going into this church. I gotta get ahead of this Honda Civic. That's why I had to get the RPMs to 3,000. Oh shit! Why was it so freaking? What was? I didn't know it was going.
He just destroyed your car.
My front splitter is like, I don't have a splitter. My front bumper.
It's because this is so steep.
God,
It's like rammed his
look at all
car.
the scraps on the freaking road. There's like chunks of road missing. Oh my god. Hyundai, there's a shoe right there. Do you see the shoe? Oh my god. I just destroyed the out of my car. Oh god. Oh, I'm gonna.
We're sorry, car.
Gonna give you premium fuel tonight. Oh, dude, I'm so freaking. That was bad. I destroyed my car. Dashboard lights up like Christmas tree. Oh, all to get some gas.
There it is. We're at
I
Exxon.
wonder if your gas is cheaper. I don't know. We'll see.
You ready? Skirt.
Oh, we're at Exxon now. Gonna get some gas.
Skirt.
Gonna get some epic gas. Alright, let's see. Alright, we're gonna go on Lucky Fuel Station number 1.
Skirt.
Fuel Station number 1, yeah.
And we're here.
Let's do it. Let's go. Exxon gas. $30 down the drain.
We love spending money.
I don't. She's okay. It wasn't that bad. Really.
Did you give her a
I kissed her.
kiss? Okay.
It's okay. It's just under plastic. It's probably scraped up a little bit.
Too hot. I don't want to wait out there while he gets gas.
Kept it under $30. Let's go. It's 15 gallons of gas. Let's go, baby. Love gas. Click. Cool. Oh, it's gone. All right, let's see how many miles we got on the Equus. I mean, the Sonata. 330. Dude, let's freaking go. I'm like, have a Lamborghini. I'm so rich. Just kidding. $30 is gone. Now we're going to get a car wash.
Let's go.
The Mr. Car Wash ways. I think so. Mr. Car Wash Barn Wash. I'm so excited. I'm gonna.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Gonna turn off traction control, whip in there like.
Turn off the AC.
Yup, exactly. Extra horsepower.
Oh my goodness.
We're open. Card only. Wait,
Okay,
what?
never mind. It's
I can
hot.
only pay card?
Only card.
That's okay. I don't care.
Bummer.
All right.
We're at
Cash
the
or
car
credit?
wash. Woo!
No, thank you. All right, here you go. Thanks, sir. You have a good one. Thank you.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah. Does anyone else get excited for car washes? I think we're the only ones.
I mean, I like to wash my own cars, but I don't have the stuff, so we're gonna wash my
They're
own.
so fun to watch.
All right, I gotta like learn how to do it. Oh, he's...
We're here. It's in neutral.
Woo!
Let's go.
Foot on neutral. This is gonna be epic. This is gonna be super tubular. Oh! All the windows are up, right?
Scrubby thing.
No, my headlights turned on. It's on auto. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, I love the octopus thing. It's like all over the windows.
Whoa! Oh!
Ugh.
Whoa! It's like bristles on like a whale, you know? Whoa! Whoa! Again! Better not be scratching my paint, boy! Whoa! Wow! No way. Insane. Whoa! It's spraying me with water!
There's the octopus.
I'm getting wet. Oh, it's my favorite. Oh, no. Whoa! Whoa! What's that even do? Like, what's it doing?
It wipes it off.
It looks cool, I guess. Wow. Oh my, look, it's air drying. It's cool. All right, I think I put this baby in drive sit.
Go.
All right, vacuum time, because they're free.
Time to vacuum.
Yup. Oh my goodness, that's so much better. I actually can see. That's incredible. All right, we got free vacuums here. Whoa, free vacuum. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We're going to Wally World now?
Yeah, we're gonna Wally.
We go shopping for groceries.
I have the list right here.
Yeah? Dude, she's like a brand new, man. She's
I
looking
know, she
shiny.
looks so nice.
All right, Hyundai, I gave you brand new fuel, a car wash, and vacuum for accidentally like hitting you really hard on the front. I'm sorry. Hopefully you forgive me. What?
All right, guys, we are at Wally World.
Let's go, Rev.
Ooh.
Yup.
Got the list right here. We're gonna get all the groceries for the week.
Go. I'm so excited. I had this Jeep Durango, like, was turning right and like didn't use his blinker, so we're like all going 45, and then he just slams on his brake and turns at like 10 miles per hour.
And guess what we
no
got
blinker.
to use?
I got to use my horn. I was all like chirp. I'm like, dude, really? Like, use your blinker, man.
PSA, use your blinker when you're driving.
Unless you're a BMW, because you just have a right to not use your blinker. Look, it's a Tesla and autopilot, guys. Tesla and autopilot. All right, we got the grocery list. Got school, back to school stuff. Autopilot Tesla doing his thing. Pretty epic. Dude, this cat is living it. Like, look, his face looks like he just fricked like 9 cats. Like, he has like this, like, e-boy scowl.
Got the smirk.
Yeah, you got the smirk. All right, we got next job on the list is avocados. Oh, that's convenient. I guess we're done here.
I'm done. Let's
Cool.
go home.
Yay. All right, just put all the groceries in the trunk. I'm making the car cold for Maya. She just put it out the basket. Hey, Maya! Hey! It's pretty epic. Alright, this concludes the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash subscribe button. Stickers coming soon. $3. Bought waterproof vinyl, like outdoor rated, like really legit good stickers from a really good company.
Yeah, nice.
They have 150,000 Instagram followers, so that's pretty epic.
That's how you know.
Yeah, that's not how you know. It helps though. Alright, bye.